What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode of Big South Outdoors TV. What are we doing today? We're going to be cleaning this yard up. We're going to be putting out some pine straw and we're going to get you some good food, so stay tuned. But before we get into it, be sure and click the like button, guys. Liking the videos lets YouTube know you've enjoyed the content. So please like the videos, click that like button. When you do that, subscribe to the channel. And when you do that, click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. All right, guys, up to this point, there's been no talking on this video. Some of you may like that, some of you may not. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my gloves on and we're gonna start slinging this pine straw and get it out as quickly as we can. You might be wondering why I'm going so far out around the edge. That will become clear very soon. Remember me saying while we put the pine straw way over the edge? Yo! All right, you saw what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. And here's this bed over here with the new pine straw in it. Here's the front beds. And there's around the dogwood tree. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you found it enjoyable. I hope you found it kind of relaxing and satisfying. I think we did a pretty good job in the amount of time we had. We did the yard, cut the grass, cleaned it, put out 25 bales of pine straw in a little over 2 hours. So anyway, that's going to do it for this, guys. Make sure you click the like button, hit that subscribe button, and when you do, click the notification bell so you don't miss any content. And also, when you do subscribe, be sure and comment t-shirt so you'll be entered into the t-shirt giveaway contest. This is going to do it. This is Brian with Big South Outdoors TV saying live big, live southern, and live outdoors. Have a good day, folks.